The gist of what we're doing here, and the main announcement is really that we are cleaning up the AV puzzle with the RoomKit Pro G2. We have built a new compute module with NVIDIA, the most advanced module probably ever built by Cisco. It has NVIDIA here at its core, and it really brings agentic AI.
That's Jensen's business card, right?
This is Jensen's business card.
Okay.
And it brings agentic AI into the large complex spaces. That's a starting point, right? Because in the past you couldn't really do agentic AI in those spaces because it was a mashup of technology from different vendors that didn't really talk together. And then it's very hard to do any proper orchestration for the end user and for the owner of the room.
And we look at the back of the unit, it's got tremendous amounts of IP with PoE, it's got analog, it's got everything all blended.
It's a monster, right? Mm-hmm. It can do everything. It really blends the legacy analog world with the future-proof digital and IP world. And maybe you want to talk to the inputs and what we're doing there.
Yeah, so like we have the ability to have the 8 PoE, as you mentioned, but also 10 gig Ethernet. So we can also bring Cisco smart switches in to extend to not just the peripheral of today, but the peripheral of tomorrow. If you think about our current RoomKit Pro that's currently in market, that this is obviously going to be replacing, this obviously makes sure that we can bring extra peripherals in the future, but also the workhorse power required. It's been there for like 8 years in market, the current RoomKit Pro. So it has to be future-proof for also what's going to happen in 2030 and beyond. We're going to have to be a lot more agentic applications. We've gone from SIP and H323, but now also we're in the world of native meeting platforms. And how do we make sure we can drive them for the future with bringing all this together with manageability as ability in a single pane of glass and control hub, and extending that even further as well.
So what did you think about what Espen and Rich showed us?
Oh, I really think Cisco is doing some nice innovation. And, they have these talking points and they keep on talking about future-proof workplaces. I think they actually really are delivering it. I think that RoomKit has a lot of capability in it, a lot of processing power, a lot of ports. That's going to last a long time.